Then example of paper and paper boards. Example of paper and paper boards. Paper bags we are using. For wrapping purpose, we are using packaging papers and infusible tissue. Tea and coffee bags, sachet pouches, over wrapping paper, sugar, floor bag, carrier bags. So here we are using. Then multi-wall paper sacks, folding carton and rigid box, corrugated.
सर आवाज क्लियर नहीं हो रहा.
हेलो
हेलो.
हाँ सुन रहे हो? हेलो 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 हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Listening? सुन रहे
Yes,
हो?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the example of paper and paper boards we are using for packaging. Corrugated and solid fiber board boxes generally shipping boxes के लिए use करते हैं. Then paper based tubes, composite container, fire drums, liquid packaging, module pulp container, labels, sealing tapes, cushioning material, cap liner, and diaphragm membrane. These are the examples we are using the paper and paper boards. Then what are the different kinds of paper? So generally we are having two kinds of paper. One is fine paper and another one is coarse paper. Fine paper, basically it is a bleached pulp. It is made up of bleached pulp and typically used for writing paper. जो लिखने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं ना, so that is the fine paper. Bond book, then cover papers. So fine papers generally we are not using for packaging. So what we are using in packaging? We are using the coarse paper. So coarse paper generally made up of unbleached kraft softwood pulp. Kraft softwood pulp, unbleached, and is used for packaging. So most commonly used paper is the coarse paper, not a fine paper. Fine paper we are using for writing purpose. Coarse paper we are using for packaging purpose. Now we can see here the different kinds of packaging paper. Kraft paper already हमने cover किया है. Kraft paper we are giving a sulfate treatment, sulfate pulp.
Sir, आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
हेलो हेलो सुन रहे हो? हेलो हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
सुन रहे हो? सुन रहे हो? हेलो हेलो प्रज्वल हेलो
Yes, sir.
सुन रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, जस्ट थोड़ा बचा हुआ है, आई विल कवर. So kraft paper typically a coarse paper having a good strength, glazed on Yankee dryer or machine. So this kraft paper having these characteristics. Then bleached paper, this is the example. Kraft paper जो शॉपिंग मॉल में जाते हैं तो हमें इस तरह का बैग देता है ना, so that is a kraft paper or kraft paper pack or packaging materials. Then bleached paper, generally they are more expensive and weaker than the unbleached paper. So this is the example of bleached paper. Kraft paper is a strong paper, bleached paper थोड़ा सा weak होंगे. Then grease proof paper. So this is translucent machine finished paper and that has been hydrated to give oil or grease resistance. So this is the grease-proof paper. That means basically this grease-proof paper is used for wrapping a fat product or fat-rich food or fat, the food which is having a more fat. So grease-proof paper is used for wrapping of that kind of food. Then glassine paper. Generally, we are producing glassine paper to give a glossiness. We are giving a glossiness to the paper, more glossiness, whiteness. So basically, it is a
आवाज नहीं
glassy,
आ रही सर.
smooth surface. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. सुन रहे हो?
Yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, last only two to three slide. ग्लासिन पेपर्स जो होते हैं वो हमारा थोड़ा ग्लॉसीनेस उसमें ज्यादा रहता है, व्हाइटनेस ज्यादा रहता है, एंड इट इज हैविंग ए स्मूथ सरफेस, हैविंग हाई डेंसिटी एंड ट्रांसपेरेंसी. So it is produced by further treating the grease proof paper. So grease proof paper ko we are giving a further treatment, we are giving a glassiness or smoothing treatment or whiteness bleaching treatment. So we can see here this glassiness example, a glassiness paper example. Then another one is the vegetable parchment. So parchment, it is a sack generally used for also used for the fat rich food. You can see here the amul or butter. So this vegetable parchment paper is used for wrapping of butter or fat rich food. Then tissue paper. Tissue paper is also used. Basically, it is having a two forms: machine finished or machine glazed tissue paper. Machine glazed papers may also be machine finished to improve the smoothness on both sides. So this is the example of tissue paper we are also using. It is having a semi-transparent or to totally opaque and can be waxed. Both sides we can waxed. Then another one is the waxed paper. It is having a two kind. We are giving a treatment of wax on both sides of the paper. So another means having a two kinds of waxed paper. One is the wet waxed paper. It is having a continuous surface film. So paper के ऊपर में we are having a continuous wax film on both sides. That is the wet waxed paper. Dry waxed paper is produced using the heated roll and do not have a continuous film on the surface. So dry waxed paper, they are not having a continuous film of wax, whereas the wet waxed paper is there having a continuous film of wax on both sides. So generally, the primary purpose of the wax is to provide moisture barrier and a heat soluble laminates. So we can use for laminates. So by one or two waxed paper, we can easily use for wax laminated paper. So this is the waxed paper. That's all. This is all about the paper. Now, the another portion which is left, that is the board. Chemically, we can't differentiate whether it is a paper or board, but we can differentiate based on the thickness. Paper is thinner, whereas the paper board is thicker. So we are measuring this grammage, generally known as GSM. Grammage, generally known as GSM. So thickness of the paper is measured by vernier caliper